Contact Form 7, right? It's one of the biggest WordPress form builder that has over 5+ million active installations. And today I'm going to show you how you can use it with Mailmint. That's right, Mailmint now has an integration with Contact Form 7 to help you collect leads using the form builder. So let's get started. To use Contact Form 7 with Mailmint, you need to have Contact Form 7 and Mailmint Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. I've already done that, and now I'm going to show you the contact form that I've created to integrate with Mailmint. And now I'm going to show you the contact form that I've created in Contact Form 7. So if I go to Contact and click on Contact Forms, you can see that I've already created a form for you guys. So basically, if I click on Edit, you can see that this form has two fields. The first field is my name, and the second field is an email address. So basically, any contact form is incomplete without an email field, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this shortcode and then paste it to a specific page. So for that, I've also created a page for you guys, which is Contact Form 7. So what I'm going to do is simply copy and paste the shortcode here, right? So I've already copied the shortcode. Now what I'm going to do is just paste it and then update it. So that's about it. So now I have to set something up in Mailmint as well. So if I head back and click on Mailmint Automations, what I'm going to do is click on New Automation and then select Start from Scratch. So let's say I give it a title of CF7, which is Contact Form 7 to Mailmint. Now what I'm going to do is select a specific starting point. So when I click here, you can see that there are 3 tabs here. The first one is for Mailmint and WordPress, and the third one is for Contact Form 7. So if I click on this tab, you can see that there's a trigger which is Form Submitted. Now if I click on Form Submitted, you can see that the Settings tab has opened from the right side, and here I have to select a form. So if I click on the drop down here, you can see that the contact form that I have created in Contact Form 7 has appeared here. So basically, if I select this, what I'm going to do is map the contact form fields to this specific fields that are listed here in the automation. So here I'll go select the Your Email option for the email field, and then I'm going to select the name option for the first name. So I don't have the last name here, so I'm simply going to use 2 fields here. So what I'm going to do is click on Start Workflow, and you can see that my automation has been saved successfully. So what I can also do is add some more actions to it. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to add them to a specific list. So what I'll do is, let's say I'm going to add them to new lead. All right. And then what I'm going to do is send them an email. So let's say I'm going to send them a welcome email. So you can see that I have several welcome emails here. So basically I'm going to use this for a demo. So that's about it. I'm going to click on Next, and then I'll simply click on Update Workflow. So now whoever submits the form, they will be added to my contact list and they will be sent this email. All right. So basically what I'm going to do now is show you from the front end when someone submits a form, what happens in the Mailmint. All right. So if I select on page, let's open the page in an incognito view. All right. So let's open this, and you can see that my form has appeared here. So let's say I'm going to add my name here, and let's say I'm going to add an email address. I'm just going to use a demo. Let's submit this, and now what I'm going to do is go to my Mailmint contacts list. All right. So if I go to the contacts here, you can see that my email address has been added to the contacts list, and the total contact number has been updated as well. So this is how it works. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more of these tutorial videos. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.